Good morning, teacher. Good morning. In this opportunity, I explain about SWR or wave reflect or wave forward in relation to the topic. And in this opportunity, I can't show my face because my camera doesn't work for this time. So continue. It's necessary when you check these parameters, identify the problem in relation with the cable, with the connection, with the adapters, because it's necessary identify if exists good a good work in this port. For example, uh, we we see we see this connector is not in good condition because when the electric I showed in the environmentally and it's not good for the connection and the transmission because I less of power in this longitude of the cable. It's not odd, but it's important to mention this part. So then when I identify and connect different cables, I can see damage around the cable in the start of the cable. I have damage. It produce a formulate in relation to SWR. And in this in this photo, I can I can see I can see a good establish of connection and the formulate. The formulate about is WR in have relation with the PF or PR in relation to the wave reflection of the wave forward is is the next. Um, one plus one plus this formulate and raíz cuadrada P PR and divided PF all divided one minimums um, or less raíz cuadrada PR divided in PF. We have a relation. I've obtained this result. This result. And this result is not the approximate on my expectative because it's approximately 300 and the wave reflecting is increasing in all the time. For this reason, I identified different problems or different damage about the antenna and about the connector. Maybe when you but on the other hand, how I obtain this data or this formulate when I use bathymeter, you can prove the power the transmission, and when you connect the different equipment, for example, I can I can see this is the transmission. It's a transmission. This connector is put in the output of the transmission, and is necessary to connect use a longitude coaxial cable with a connect with a bathymeter between and the antenna and the transmission too. So uh, I it's necessary to note how do you use this component because this pill you you turn around in the direction of the on the west or in when you have obtained the wave reflect you can put in the relation of the host oest in Spanish and when you can comprove this wave forward or wave reflect you can use this formulate when before I show I show it. So it's necessary to identify this problem. For example, it's necessary to repair this longitude of cable and verify the corrosion of the connector. The connector is not good or is apparent a bad condition. something like that. But how to mechanic is important to identify this problem. When you identify this problem, your work is accelerate in hold or on all the time or around the world. It recognizes always. Um, Obviously, if you done your work, is you isn't your work, it's necessary you can repair it because it's your ethic. And that's all, teacher. And this is my explanation about this problem. And is finally Dantain. Dantain is important for the transmission and is not damage or get different mode of use. Thank you very much.